Now at 5, controversial contraception. Catholics across the country are outraged at President Obama's health care mandate. Good evening to you. Part of the president's health care reform bill will force almost all businesses, including Catholic-based entities, to buy forms of birth control for employees.
Since Roman Catholics oppose artificial birth control and other related services, they say Obama has declared war against their church and beliefs. News Channel 15's Elizabeth Fields went to find out how Catholics in our area are reacting to the law.
Well, Mark and Heather, they're reacting with rage. On Sunday, at every priest, at every mass, at every church in the diocese took time to urge parishioners to take a firm stand against the law that violates their beliefs.
It forces us to pay for what we consider to be evil things, and that's where it makes it such a big deal.
Such a big deal, hundreds of priests took time to read a letter from Bishop Kevin Rhodes on Sunday. It's a call to action for Catholics to speak out against the health care law. It requires all employers, even faith-based, to pay for insurance that includes contraception, sterilization services, and the morning after pill.
We feel that paying for that kind of coverage really makes us a part of the evil that's involved, and we simply can't allow ourselves to do that in any way.
Father Mark Gertner says it goes farther than violating Catholic beliefs. It violates the freedom of religion. But pro-choice groups say they will fight against the church and fight for everyone to have access to birth control services.
The Catholic hierarchy seems to be playing a cynical game of chicken, and they don't seem to care that the health and well-being of millions of American women are what's at stake here.
That's clearly not how the Catholic Church sees it.
These don't really directly relate to health care because fertility is not a disease, and it's being treated as if it were a disease.
And it's willing to do anything to stop it.
We shouldn't be forced to go against our conscience to pay for these things.
The White House just announced this afternoon that it will address Catholic concerns but didn't say how or when. In the meantime, bishops across the nation are coordinating a counterattack, which could mean even a march on the nation's capital. Elizabeth Fields, News Channel 15.